Discover how to personalize your Windows 11 experience in just 10 seconds by learning to change your mouse cursor. Let's make your desktop uniquely yours. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointers tab in the Mouse Properties window that pops up. Click on the drop-down menu under Scheme and select an option you prefer. Select Apply, then click on OK to save changes. Hit the Windows key and click on Settings. Select Accessibility on the left pane and select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Click on the last mouse pointer and select a custom color from the options. Hit the Windows key, type Control Panel in the search bar, and click Open. Navigate to Ease of Access Center. Click on the Make the Mouse Easier to Use option. Under Mouse Pointers, select an option you prefer. Alternatively, you can change your cursor from Settings. Select Accessibility on the left pane and select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Hover the mouse from left to right to adjust the size. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointer Options tab in the Mouse Properties window that pops up. Under Motion, hover the mouse to a speed of your preference. Also, click the checkbox next to Enhance Pointer Precision to stabilize the cursor. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointers tab. Under Customize, scroll down until you find an icon of your liking. If you don't like the provided options, click on Browse. This will take you to a pack of downloaded cursors. You can now select an option, go back then, click on Apply, and OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.